Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make neem tea. Very healthy and immunity boosting tea recipe. You can have this tea weekly once to boost your immunity and energy levels. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Before starting with the tea preparation, let's quickly check out the benefits of the tea leaves. Tea leaves helps to treat cold and fever, treats diabetics, treats your gum and bloody nose, cures liver problems, treats heart problems and kills intestinal worms. So a tea made with this neem leaves is definitely a healthy substitute for our regular one, so let's check on it. Heat a saucepan and add 2 cups of water. Today I have taken 15 neem leaves. Let's quickly clean wash it and add it to the water along with a teaspoon of palm sugar. You can also add regular sugar or jaggery. Even honey is a very healthy substitute. Let this boil for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame until the water absorbs all the flavors of the neem. This neem tea will definitely be a little bitter, so you can adjust the number of leaves according to your taste. Also, few variety of neem leaves will be very bitter. In that case, only 2 to 3 leaves for a cup of tea should be good enough. Now it's nicely boiling. Mix it in regular intervals to make sure the leaves don't stick to one another. Now it's been 2 minutes and the water color is nicely changed to light green color, so off the flame. Strain the tea and serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. A very healthy and easy neem tea recipe to boost your immunity. So do try this neem tea recipe in your home and write back to me a feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. You just need 2 ingredients to make this healthy drink. The first one is neem leaves. Just 4 to 5 tender neem leaves are enough for this drink. This neem leaf is a very healthy ingredient. It reduces high blood pressure, reduces blood sugar levels, heals ulcer, kills bacteria and prevents plaque from forming in the mouth. Clean wash the leaves and add it to the mug. Then add for a teaspoon of garlic powder. Garlic is a very healthy ingredient. It has lot of medicinal properties. It is highly nutritious and has very few calories. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Contains antioxidants, detoxifies heavy metals in the body and improves bone health. Then add 1 cup of hot water. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open and check the ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to the same mug. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy drink to lower blood pressure is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat-cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this healthy drink that lowers high blood pressure at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.